Huwag na akong mag-eyeshadow. Mag-ano na lang ako dito. So, ito na yung blush Love You. Ito na yung blush. It's kulay red pink, I think. Nakakita nyo ba, guys? Hindi. Parang hindi nyo nakikita eh. Doon lang inaano ko. I think malalong ito na video. I think maano to ng part 5. Ending. Ending yung part 5 or part 6. Wait, bukan ang red. Did he put so much? Let's go for concealer. There we go. Now there's concealer. Let's get some concealer. Do you see that? Concealer. There's actually bronzer. Concealer. Bronzer. Do you see? No. Let's go with this. Bronze. Whoa. Whoa. I think I'm going with my makeup like a baddie. Let me see. Okay lang naman. Nakikita ko naman yung reflection. I hope hindi ito maaano. Watch me blend in part 3.